I often get a question like, would we call this note D sharp or would we call it E flat? You know what? If we're in the key of E major, which has 4 sharps, we would probably call it D sharp. If we're in the key of B flat major that has 2 flats, we would probably call it E flat. As you can hear, it is the exact same note. In the context of a chord, it is relative to the root note. So the root note is B here. The key of B major has 5 sharps, and the third note in the key of B major is D sharp. What about A flat major? So in the 5th note in the key of A flat major is E flat. So we would use an E flat there. So the other rule is whether a note is moving up or down. Here we've got just a standard G major triad, G, B, and D. If we raise the D up 1/2 step, that would make a G augmented triad, and that D goes up 1/2 step to D sharp. If we are lowering notes, we're going to take sharps away and then we're going to add flats. So here, if we go from A major to A minor, that C sharp is going to go down to C. And from A minor to A diminished, we're going to see the E go down 1/2 step to E flat. So here, of course, we're going to see E flat and not D sharp because we're flatting the 5th note of E 1/2 step. That note is moving down. We'll call it E flat instead of D sharp. I hope that this has helped you, and there are many, many more lessons and interactive diagrams to practice these concepts at guitarthinker.com. I'll see you there.